Welcome everyone, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. If you can, just hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on so you can get notifications every time I post, and also hit that thumbs up. Alright, and let's get this lash haul started. The first thing I'm going to show you here is my lash primer. Do not use it on yourself, beginners. It might burn your eyes, and if you do, be cautious with it. Use a small amount, please. Make sure there's no extra access. The next thing here is my lash remover cream. I haven't used it yet. If you think you're allergic to anything, please put a small area on your hand to see if it swells up, and if it does, do not use it on your eyes. The next thing I'm showing you here is the Lash shampoo by Stacy Lash. I've never used it before, and it came with a lash brush or lash cleaning brush. Next thing I'm going to show you here are the glue rings. The reason I bought these is because they have the ridges and they're good for beginners. Here is the Stacy's Lash glue. I did get this extra strong. Yeah, that's the only one they had except for the sensitive one. Just be really careful. Next thing I'm going to show you here is the silicone eyelash extension pad. This is where you can put your individual lashes at or your fins that you make. And you can also stick this on the client's forehead. Next thing I want to show you are the disposable mascara wands. They did come in a pack of 50. It also came with 2 additional lash shampoo brushes. Also come with 100 disposable micro applicators. These are the under eye gel pads. I haven't used them yet, but I'll keep you updated to see if they break me out or anything. Up next, we have the 150 milliliter mouthwash bottle to wash your lashes off. It also came with a mini lash mirror. I'm not really liking it, but it also came with extra glue rings. We also have the curved and the straight tweezers. Two rows of lash tape, but I did try them and I don't think it's the best. We also have here a mini air conditioner. Just press that honestly, it's pretty strong. I like it. It has a little stand. I can't kick that up right now because I'm using, okay, there we go. Just using one hand. Here's the 30 milliliter nano facial mister. Okay, I'm back. I had to fill it up with water, but this is how it looks when it's on. I think it's a lot of mist that comes out of it. I like it. Is this box. So this box. This is my Lash makeup mirror. Because I got it plugged up finally, and it was just really the light. So this is how bright it gets. I like it. Natural. Then the white, and it goes off. I think you hold it to dim it. Yep. You hold it to dim, and you hold it to brighten. Yep. And boom! I got everything that I wanted, and I'm pretty excited.